ngeke sidule singangisifuni mina. Empilweni yami is like I was so obsessed.
Okay.
Ngamthanda. And njalo mangidakiwe you understand the situation? Champagne in the car somewhere. Like, okay, I love this person. He's not even cute. Usiduda wami bengimthanda ngisangana ngisayibostufuza bakithi ngikhabosi ngiyamthanda like ngimthanda noumubiza ngimthanda. And my first time dating crazy and obsessed. Like every now and then I'm checking, baby, how are you up to? What are you up to? Where's Auntie to eat? You know those things. Like, oh my god, I love this person. It is at first I'm like, I'm ngeke sidule singangisifuni mina. Ngeke sifune sidule. And senza show isidule ukuthi yayibonke ngamthanda lo muntu. Into engichaze kuyena, I'm going to tell you ne. Into engichaze kuyena uthando, irrespect, and also inhliziyo enhle. He got a beautiful heart, mos. Yo, lalela. Yena into engaze ngaba obsessed ngaye, not even imali. I was just talking because bengithanda ukukhuluma vele and bengishaya ama ace of space laphana and ngi-happy. But listen, I was so in love until this other woman angifonela